Hello, everyone. My name is Johnsen, the author of Blockchain Technology in Digital Marketing, a New Paradigm of Trust. Blockchain technology has taken the world by storm, disrupting industries far and wide. In my book, I delve into the intricate details of this revolutionary technology and explore its impact on different domains, from digital marketing to security and beyond. I talked about the significance of blockchain emergence and foreshadows the transformative potential it holds. I provided historical overview tracing the roots of blockchain technology. It sheds a light on how blockchain evolved from a conceptual idea to a global phenomenon, emphasizing its historical context. Moving forward, I delve deep into core principles of blockchain technology. My readers gain a fundamental understanding of how blockchain works and its role in securing data management. Then I talked about security challenges. I discussed the security issues associated with blockchain. It's essential to recognize the challenges and vulnerabilities to fully appreciate the technology development. I also talked about digital marketing and blockchain. I discussed how blockchain and cryptocurrency shaped up marketing landscape, enhancing transparency and mitigating fraud. Then I talked about the synergy of blockchain and AI. Readers are presented with a thought-provoking analysis of social networks and the potential of combining blockchain and AI to address their issues. It's a fascinating exploration of how technology can foster trust and security in online interactions. Then I talked about blockchain in e-commerce, how blockchain enhances security, streamlines supply chain management, and facilitates peer-to-peer transactions in the world of e-commerce. Since I have experience within online reputation management, I've been handling clients' reputation and managing their branding and online reputation management, ORM, for a few years now. So I felt that I should talk about how blockchain can help in this regard, the concept of blockchain-powered reputation management. I talked about blockchain can be the cornerstone of trust and transparency in online interactions. Then I talked about regulatory environment. In every country is different. The regulatory challenges that blockchain faces, compliance, legal considerations, and jurisdictional arbitrage are discussed, shedding light on the complex legal landscape of blockchain technology. With the advent of innovative business models, careful consideration of the regulatory environment, best practices, and strategy becomes imperative. Professional advisors often find themselves working with outdated rules and conventional playbooks. So I believe that blockchain technology holds particular importance for business models that require a regulatory framework. I discussed about several key aspects of blockchain technology significantly transform and enhance information and fintech systems. So you see, blockchain technology fulfills all regulatory environments by serving as a trusted repository of information integrated with digital marketing and other systems. The fact is that it offers a reliable mechanism for detecting money laundering. enabling comprehensive verification of individuals' identities and transaction records. I believe by utilizing blockchain technology, businesses can foster a sense of trust. This book will be a good read for those who wonder where blockchain technology leads us in the domain of digital marketing. You may find it on Google Books, Google Play, and Amazon. Have a lovely day and stay safe. Maria Johnsen is signing out.